everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now before you skip this intro, I'm going to show you something guys, which is this. Now this is a gold nugget and I'm going to give it away in this project. I'm going to do some explaining about the gold nugget in just a moment. Now what am I going to do in this video? I'm going to cast this dagger here. It's from the game League of Legends and I hope it's a popular dagger. I'm not so familiar with the game. And if it's not a popular dagger, I just think it looks cool, so that's what I'm going to make. Now about this gold nugget guys, it will be given away in part 2 of this video. This video will be in 2 parts. This is part 1 and in 1 or 2 weeks from now, part 2 will be released. And then I'm going to give away this gold nugget. No matter where you live, I will send it to you. Now you can also follow me on TikTok. This is my TikTok and I will be posting regular updates on there about my channel or my daily life. Now, yeah, I think that's all I want to say. Oh no, one more thing. I'm also working on a new video from the geese. We're making a big swimming pool for them. So yeah, if you want to see that, I think it will be ready in about 1 week from now. Okay guys, now let's stop talking and start making a mold in the sand from this dagger. Here we go. Sit back, relax and enjoy this video.
In the woods, under dark
Okay guys, thanks for watching so far. Now this is the result, straight from the casting sand. And as you can see, there is still a lot of work on this dagger. Now I'm going to clean this dagger in part 2 of this video, and I'm also giving away this gold nugget in part 2 of this project. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and also ring that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, see you in part 2 of this video. Bye bye!